Listen, y'all, I know I ain't really post today. Just been a little underneath the weather, but as I was watching the news today, and I kind of see that people is still out of lights, still underneath water. People homes was destroyed. People lost. My God. My God. That's all I'm gonna say is, I'm gonna tell you one more time. My God. We was fortunate. If you ain't lose your house, if you may have lost your food and power and mint and the little small things, you should be thankful. I don't think you hear me. I don't think you hear me. You should be thankful for the hurricane. If you still got your lights on right now, and even if your power coming back on, and you ain't losing everything, you should be thankful. I don't want to hear no complaining, because